everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Facebook account permanently. Whether you're taking a break from social media or just want to leave Facebook for good, this step-by-step guide will make the process easy and straightforward. So let's get started. For the first thing you need to do is log into your Facebook account. Open the Facebook application and make sure you're logged in. Once you're on your account, simply tap on the three horizontal bars that you can find on the bottom right corner of the screen. Scroll down until you find Settings and Privacy. Then click on Settings. Here, go to See More in Account Center. Then click on Personal Details. Here you can find Account Ownership and Control. Tap on it. Then click on Deactivation or Deletion. Here you will see two options, deactivate account and delete account. Deactivation is temporary, but since we want to delete the account permanently, select delete account and then click continue to account deletion. Then hit on continue. Now you'll be prompted to enter your password for security reasons. Then you may need to enter why you want to delete your account. Facebook will ask for a final confirmation. Click delete account again to permanently delete your Facebook account. And that's it. Your Facebook account is now scheduled for deletion. It may take up to 30 days for the account to be fully deleted. And that's all there is to it on how to delete your Facebook account. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.